also been kind of bringing my background in religion and ecology to my work with the International Thomas Merton Society. Thomas Merton has been a friend that I've walked with since high school, and I just love his work on contemplation and his sense of vocation as a writer. But I'm currently working on preparing a workshop called Attending to Multispecies Worlds with Thomas Merton, and kind of thinking through, he had this really robust daily journaling practice, and in the last handful of years of his life lived in this hermitage in Kentucky, surrounded by Kentucky bluegrass and hills, and he would see deer and birds, and it was not only a part of his daily contemplation to kind of attend to the world of many species around him, but also sometimes even in the theology that he was writing. One of my favorite quotes of Merton's is, "For me to be a saint means to be myself." And he writes about trees automatically being saints, because the more than human world, I don't know how to say it in a grammatically correct way, but they just be themselves. There's just a sense of following, doing and being on earth what they're meant to do. And there's this sense of human beings have lost that, gotten a little confused about what it is that we're meant to do on earth, and who it is we're meant to be for the world around us, what kind of relationship we're supposed to have. And so I love